So we're always on about the variety of work, but it's back to basics here with a whole bunch of cylinder heads coming to us. I think there's 21 there, and if you can, I guess you can figure out what they are. Down the road I think there's another 20 arrived as well, so 40 or so cylinder heads to do, and when they leave here they'll be as good as new. Just look at the condition of these though. Yeah, I was right, the other 20 or so are here. In fact, I think there's more than that. But again, just look at the condition of these. So there's some work to do there, and I'll post some pictures as they start to get processed through the factory.